In one of my videos, I shared with you how you can save with MTN Xeno and earn up to 13% interest per annum in your savings. But in today's video, I want to show you how you can earn 5,000 for each person you bring into Xeno. Now, if you want to start earning that 5,000 without doing anything much, watch this video as I show you how you're going to earn 5,000 for each person you introduce MTN Xeno to. Without further ado, I am going to take you through this process. Now endure and watch this video up to the end. And if you're also a Kenyan, please watch this video because it is for Kenyans and Ugandans. Nigerians are also coming up soon. I'm going to take you through this process in the next coming seconds. After downloading and installing, click on the app, that is Xeno app. It is in Google Play Store. Now from here you can see the interface. There is join and login. And so you can also read those other informations so that you understand more about it. So you can click on login or you click on join if you don't have an account. So all is under here. So there you enter your email address and password, then click on login. Then if you don't have an account, just click on join, then you select your country. Kenya or Uganda. Nigeria is there but not yet active. Now if you select the country, this is the interface. Then now you select where you want to invest. Then also the other icon up is for if you want to contact the admin, you can click on it, then you can see the interface that it is going to give you when you want to contact the admin. Now from here you can select where you want to invest or to deposit or to save in. So for me, I'm going to select myself. When I click on myself again, it is going to take me to another option. Now from here it is again asking me what do you want to achieve. So I am going to select secure retirement, build wealth, fund education, own a home, fund an emergency, personal goal or income. For me, I want to build or to own a home. So that's the one I'm going to select now. Then I invest the amount that I want to invest. So you're going to earn interest and also other things. Now from here, you enter your email. Remember, we are just creating an account. For you who doesn't have an account, this is my email address that I am using for creating. Now here you select, is this the right email or it is not? If it is yes, then you click on yes to proceed. Now when you tap on yes, it takes you to another page. So here now you're going to pick the verification code from your email address. They have sent it there. You go to your email address, pick the verification code, come and put it here and click on verify. Now here you enter your phone number here because it is already selecting my country, but also you can click on the drop down arrow, then click on the search or just look for your country from these countries. Then you click on it. After selecting, then you can now continue with other steps. See here it has very many countries. Now for me, I select my country Uganda, then I enter my phone number starting with 7 because +256 is already there. Then I click on next. This is the right phone number, no or yes? If yes, click on yes and proceed to the next step. So that is what is going to keep asking you, no, yes. Also here it is going to send me a verification code. So I'll go to my SMS, boom, SMS is here, copy and paste it here. Then it already goes automatic to verify my phone number. Then we go to the next step. Here is where you enter your name. So your first name is John, David, what, then the middle name, then the last name. For me, I don't have middle name that I'm using, though it is there. Then I come to this other name. Remember, the names you enter here should be the names in your email, in your national ID or passport size photo. Then here you create your password. Remember, it has given you that 8 characters and it must be having a lowercase, must be having what. After you entering, then click on next. So I'm copying in my password to save it somewhere so that I don't forget it. Now from here I am almost done with registration, but I have to verify my account. But for the registration, I am already done with registration. Now I want to log into my account. So here I enter my email address, then I enter my password, then I click on login. So now let me enter my email address and password. Then I click on login. Yes, I have now logged into my account. Now I need to again get the verification code from my email address. So whatever thing you do from here, it is sent to you to email address to verify that are you the one. Go to it, get that, and come and put it there and verify your account. Now you can see my account is already there. Now here it is asking me how often will you save towards your home goal, because me I've chosen home. Is it monthly, weekly, daily, or just once for all? That is how it is. Now here if you click on monthly, then you select which date of the month, 1st, 2nd, 30th, or then if you select weekly, is it Monday, Tuesday, or Friday? Which date do you want to use? Then if you select daily, which amount do you want to invest or to save here? That is for daily. So that is all. So but here you can click on more, so or none of the above. For me I selected monthly, that's why you're seeing that I am now here. I selected monthly and I want every 1st of every month to save my money, and here is the amount at 100, 200, 300, but I can click on none of the above so that I enter the amount that I want to deposit or to keep saving here daily or monthly. Now here the minimum is 10,000, so I'm going to enter 10,000 here. This is just to activate my account. As it is saying that how much do you want to start saving towards your home goal monthly. So it is 10,000. Here also you verify yes to proceed, no to edit, or you want to increase the amount or to decrease. For me I want to this, so I click on proceed. Now here it says your own home plan. This is how it is. The account is 10,000, the channel, that is the number, then deducted 1st of every month. But when you're just starting, you have to input that amount to open your account. All that money is in your account. Now here I'll click on approve plan because this is what I want. So now I will click on yes because it is the choice that I've decided. So decide what to know that you can get at least every month so that you save for your future. This is all this money will be in your account. Anytime you can withdraw. Then now here it is access my mobile money, so I have to enter my PIN. Then here I click on 1 to approve that transaction to Xeno. It is still pending. Now if I click on that one to approve that ID, then everything will be fine. Now here also click on yes. Do you want to approve? Yes. Then you can see because I went back, so now I have to just re-log in. This is a secure app. Everything you do is protected. Now I have to click on login, and again I log into my account. Remember I saved everything. Now I click on log in to get into my account. So this is my verification code. I have to copy, go back to the app, paste, and verify that I am the one logging into my account. This is the thing with this thing. No one can do anything to your account. Now I'm done with everything, and this is now where we are going to get our money. But before, we have to first verify our accounts using national ID or passport size photo. Just click on start to verify. You can see all earning is blinded because you have not yet verified your account. That is the 3rd step. Now click on it. You can see that is my name. You select the gender, then select the nationality, which is Uganda or all these countries. So I'm going to put my country here. Then down here you click and you select the year and month. That is your date of birth. That is all what you're putting here should be in your national ID or passport so that everything will be smoothly. Now I run to Jan 30th to verify my account. Then I click on OK, meaning that is all. And I click on continue to go to the next step. And here also I'll click on proceed because this is the right information. You can check yours and edit in case you see that it is not the right information, but for me it is right. Now this is the interface. Up here there it says ID. Select the type of the ID you're going to use. Me, I'm going to use national. Then down put the NIN. Then the second part there, it needs you to upload the front page of your national ID. Then there I'm going to put my NIN. Yes, then now I click on this one to upload my front ID from my gallery. because it is in my gallery. If you don't have in your gallery, then you just have to take a pic there, and then now here you have to take your pic holding a national ID, as is saying that's upload selfie. So I'm going to take myself, then I upload it there, then I click on take photo because it is not in my gallery. Now here this is me standing with my national ID. Good. Then I click on that tick to confirm that this one is nice to work, and then I click on proceed. This is all what you're supposed to do following your phone. Now here also, this is your country, your address. Select your country, region, city, then status, then zone. So all that, then click on continue, proceed, in case you know that you've entered all the information correctly. But if you've entered wrongly, you can click on edit. Now the next step here needs you to put the source of your income. How do you earn money? Through business, through what? For me, I have put in your salary. Enter all that information as you're going to see it in your screen, then click on continue as long as you enter the right information. If you don't see that it is not right, you click on edit, but if it is correct, click on proceed to continue to the next step. Then now here we are in the last part. This is where you are going to earn money from by doing referrals. Now if you click on that step, that is step number 4 to earn, you can see invite and earn 5,000 for each person you're going to invite. Now you can read also here, it says share your Xeno referral code with friends, encourage them to sign up and fund their goal with at least 10,000. That is the minimum. Then you're going to get 5,000, and the other person is also going to get 5,000. So now if you use the link you're seeing on the screen, you're going to get 5,000, also get 5,000, and now your money will be 15,000 once you finish that. So I'm putting for my friend, the guy that already invested here using my video that I recorded previously. Now if I put here, then I click on claim 5,000. So sometimes it is going to give you this error, but don't mind, everything will be smooth. You can click on try to continue. If you see that it is not refresh the page, it means everything has gone, but only network. And also now here you can see I have received the email saying congratulations, your 5,000 is on the way. So I got the 5,000 and my friend got 5,000. So this is now my referral link code. So if I share this one with my friends through even just clicking share, then I select the method I want, SMS, WhatsApp, Telegram, what, then I send to them. Once they create an account using the app, then they put this our referral code, they are going to get 5,000, also get 5,000. So you can also read all these FAQs to understand more about this Xeno. But Xeno is 100% legit. It is not scam by MTN. Never doubt with this one. It is 100% legit. Do whatever thing you have, deposit, invest, and interest, refer, and earn 5,000 free.
Yes, now if you've watched this video, that is how you're going to earn 5,000 for each person that you bring. You bring 10 people, that is already 50,000 you've earned free without any investment, even in a single day, even just at no minute. Just sitting like this, you keep doing it, people join, you earn 5,000 for each person you bring. Remember, if you bring 100 people, that's already 500,000 free, and it is paid to your account. Nothing needed for you to deposit or for you to withdraw. Everything is free. When you make a withdrawal from MTN Xeno, it is free. If you deposit also to MTN Xeno, everything is free. Now your 5,000 that you're going to get from MTN Xeno, you're going to get it free, and you can withdraw it to your mobile money free and withdraw it to you. So now if you found value in this video, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, liking this video, and also commenting. I think this is the best video of the month. This is September 2024, and this is 100% legit. Don't doubt as you do anything with this savings service in MTN everywhere you go. Now let's meet in the next coming video. No one can help me.